we are Team Vision. Our web app name is EasyQuest, which is basically based on automated question generator and summarizer. So now examination and assessments are undergoing a tremendous revolution. Also, the pattern of assessment is majorly shifting towards the objective base, that is MCQ base. So it is very hard to construct and it requires very large amount of time for setting large amount of questions on daily basis. So there is a growing need for cost effective and time efficient automated MCQ generation system. So our proposed system, which is NLP based, in this we are using AI powered tools which are based on natural language processing. Now in this we are using BERT algorithm, which is the most powerful game changing NLP algorithm which is used by Google for real world tasks. It helps computer to understand language a bit more like humans do. It is also pre-trained model and open sourced by Google, which can be used to summarize text, extract keywords. Also for word sense disambiguation, we are going to use WordNet approach to get the sense of a word in a sentence, so that we can generate a good quality of distractors, all the options which are generated in MCQs. So it is used to get the correct sense of a word given a sentence along with it. So this is how our algorithm will work, our backend. So the input can be in the form of raw text. It can also be in the form of PPT. You can also give in the form of PDF. You can upload the PDF. It will extract the text in it, and then it will be given to the BERT extractive summarizer. Now it will summarize the text and make it more precise. And using Python keyword extractor, we are going to extract some keywords. Now your user can also select his or own keywords, which he finds that it should be given in the MCQ. So after keyword selection, there will be sentence mapping for every keyword. Then after that, here comes the most difficult part, that is generating the distractors. Now for generating distractors, we are going to use WordNet approach, that is to get that sense of that word in that sentence. So this is a web application, EasyQuest. Now let's get into the features. Here you can generate MCQ question based on any domain. You can generate vocabulary question, also English grammar questions. You can also generate the summary to make notes. Now let's first see generate MCQs. So inside this, here you can see a text field. Here you can copy and paste your own text. Also you can drag and drop your PDF or PPT files. Also there's an option to search for a particular topic you want to search. In the background, in the backend, it will find all the relevant text from the internet and display here. Now let's see, for example, if you want to search for artificial intelligence. Now here it is displaying all the information based on artificial intelligence. Now you can also copy and paste of your own text. Now I am having my own text. Let's copy and paste. Now here you can see a slider. What's the functionality of this slider is, when the value of this slider is 1, then the MCQ generated will be maximum. Maximum amount of MCQ will be generated. When we decrease the value of the slider, it will compress this whole text in this ratio. This text will be compressed to more precise text on this ratio, in 0.6 ratio. So the MCQs will be generated from that precise compressed text. So the number of MCQs generated will be less. So let's now submit our text. Now let's say in the backend, you can see as the compression ratio is passed as an argument. Also our model has been running. This is the compressed text. These are all the keywords. Now it is finding all the word sense disambiguation, and now it has generated all the MCQs. Here you can see. As you can see here, the text was based on the history of Egypt. As you can see, the Nile provided so well for dash. Here the answer should be Egyptians, but you can also see that the options generated are also very plausible. Egyptians are the type of people who stay there in Egypt. Also Algerian also fits here. So a person who will be knowing the actual answer will be able to select the right answer. As you can see here, it has generated almost around 29 MCQ questions. You can also edit here and also download. Click on this download button. It will download automatically. And here you can see all the MCQ questions are generated. So this was about generating MCQs. Now let's see develop vocabulary questions. So here same you can see here you can search for any text you want, any topic you want. Let's search for Windows. As you can see, there are many text. Here I'll delete some. Now here you can select the grammar. For example, if I select conjunction, preposition, verb, all the questions generated would be based on conjunction, preposition, and verb. Now let's submit. Here you can see it has generated all the questions. Here you can see correct option should be for, but it has also generated many other options which can be given for students. So here it has generated many MCQs. Now this was about the vocab MCQ generator. Now let's see generate summary. So here is also the same concept. You can search for any text, or you can copy and paste your own text. Let's copy and paste our own text, and you can set the ratio in which you want to compress. Let's set this to 0.5. Okay. Let's now, here you can see it has generated the summary. This is the generated precise text. In the next version, we are going to add the questions based on true or false question. It will generate true or false questions, WH questions, and also a plagiarism detection, where it will detect all the plagiarism of the student submitted assignments. So this was a natural language processing based MCQ generation system. So it is automatic MCQ is effective way to generate questions using AI powered tools, which is also very time efficient. It also reduces the human intervention and cost effective technique when it is compared to traditional form based way for generation of MCQs. This will not only help teachers to assess, but also students who are preparing for competitive exams or any other exams for analyzing their understanding of the concepts. Thank you.